Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to turn off the adaptive trigger effects on your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I'm just in Astro's Playroom on the PlayStation 5, a free game. Now this has a controller demo where I can try out the adaptive triggers. Now, I really enjoy the adaptive triggers. However, in first-person shooters or multiplayer games, I do not like them on whatsoever. Now, to turn them off is actually very easy. Press the PlayStation button, open up the control center, and scroll on over to your controller under Accessories. Now go to Wireless Controller, and then go to Controller Settings. And it'll open up this screen. Now you can see your vibration intensity on top. Then under that is your trigger effect intensity. When you're using the microphone on your controller, the intensity is set to weak. If you are using a headset or mute the microphone, the intensity selected here will be applied. So the standard is strong, but we have medium, weak, and off. So if you want to completely turn it off, go to off, and then switch back to your game. Now, you may have some in-game options where you can completely turn them off as well, so you may want to go ahead and double check that. Like in Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, I was able to go ahead and do that, and then I left it on for my single-player games. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.